Hi everyone, I'm Trainer Joe. Today is February 28th, Sunday, last day of February. Today is Sunday. This is my laundry day. I did laundry and then today I trained for client and I didn't train myself because I had to do something work and plus I had to practice my first reading for my Catholic church. Today I did my first reading at my Catholic church during the mass. So yeah, I wanted to do really well. I did well, but that I think is not 100%. Next week I do that again next Sunday, so I will do better. So yeah, so everything's going well. Today, Canada and US did a hockey game, and then Canada won, and then it's really right now. It's like so exciting, everyone. Like in Korea, like it's like a World Cup in soccer, like won that situation. So everyone is very happy here. Yeah. So every Sunday, I feel kind of I go to the Korean Catholic Church, so I feels like go to the Korea once a week. So usually here nearby my club. So 1 week I don't really speak Korean and I don't see the Korean people. It feels like Monday to Saturday I'm here in Canada, and Sunday I feels like in Korea, and then I kind of come after the mass and then really good mass, and then after the mass I come home. It feels kind of funny and a little bit of lonely, and yeah. So anyway, so I'm good, very good. So I'm Trainer Joe. I see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.